So I've got my 2x2 up here glued together. This has had about a week to cure. The tube of AP1 says a cure time of 24 hours. So let's see how it does at holding my weight. Here we go. Today we're taking a look at APOC AP-1 construction adhesive and sealant. I'm going to show a few different ways that you can use this for its adhesive and sealant properties. This product is great. It'll seal gaps to prevent leaks, and it doesn't shrink over time. It remains permanently flexible and is waterproof. Unlike silicone, it can be painted. Now, the seal lasts over a long time because it won't shrink on you. It is available in both gray and white colors, so a lot of applications you don't even have to mess with painting it. AP1 bonds and seals to most construction materials. Because it's green seal, it has low VOCs and is odorless. Now, this sticks to most construction materials and has a powerful bond that will last over time to hold things together. Let's take a look at some of the great properties of this AP1 as an adhesive and sealant. I want to thank the APOC brand for sponsoring this video. Welcome to Tomahawk DIY, everyone. I'm Mike. So let's get this thing ready to use. Make sure you're unscrewing this to cut off your top. We're ready to go. Okay, so for testing the strength of this APOC AP-1 construction adhesive and sealant, I'm working on making some test samples where I've glued wood together. These are 2x2s, just like this. Real simple. I'm just applying the adhesive on the end and gluing it together. Give it some pressure, and then we'll let it cure and run our testing. Since this is paintable, if I need to, I can come back and paint it once it's dry. Now, since this remains flexible over time, it'll expand and contract as the temperatures fluctuate to help maintain the seal throughout the year. Rain and moisture and snow working its way into your house. So we're going to use the AP1 to seal up that gap. As we seal across the front of this threshold, this is going to help keep water from finding its way under the door where it can get in and damage our home. Alright, I'm just going to smooth across the front of this. I'm going to use my finger to smooth out the sealant. Alright, so let's use this APOC AP-1 as we build our header. Now, this bonds extremely well to most construction materials. Just put a nice 1/4-inch bead out here. Get it set in place. Do the next one. Okay, we'll apply a little bit of pressure now, and then put some nails in it to hold it in place. We've got a hammock swing attached to the bottom of the sample. You can see the adhesive right there, and then it's attached up on the deck. So let's see how it does at holding my weight. Here we go. I think it's holding. That's just 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches of the adhesive. Pretty impressive. Alright, so I'm going to show you how you can use this AP1 construction adhesive under the bottom plate or the sill plate or the sole plate, called a few different things, under the bottom of your wall to help it stay in place. Slide it in place and we'll be good to go. Alright, let's get ready for the next wall. Alright, let's get this nice bead of the adhesive. We'll sand the wall up, just like that. Another use for this AP1 adhesive, we're going to put some paneling onto the wall and use it to hold it and secure it. And that can avoid nail holes where you don't want to mess with those. We're going to apply a liberal bead of the adhesive. Alright, with our adhesive on the panel, let's put this thing on the wall. make sure we apply plenty of pressure to help it stick and stay in place. After holding this for a few seconds, you can add a little bit of tape. All right, so you can see it's holding it up nicely. You want to add a little extra security to keep it while it dries and stays in place. Put some tape on it. So there's another one of the uses of this APOC AP-1 construction adhesive and sealant. You're avoiding nail holes by doing this. It's going to secure and hold the paneling in place. It'll last for years to come. I'm kind of excited about this. We're going to do an adhesive strength test on this APOC AP-1 adhesive. Got the adhesive right here. We're going to be pulling apart in the uniaxial direction. So we'll check the strength of that. We've got a bucket of gravel here. Don't tell my wife, I've got the bathroom scale out here as well. We've got 34 pounds of gravel in this bucket. We'll get some more if we need it. Let's see how strong this is. Okay, here we go. We got 34 pounds there, no signs. I'm gonna get my safety glasses. I don't want this thing to whip back up and hit my eyes. We're approaching 50 pounds here. I got these tightened up. Haven't changed the gravel in it. I'm out of room. And still holding. Well, let's put a few blocks on. This block's like 8 pounds. We've got another 40 pounds of rock. These 3 bricks were sitting on top of this. I'm gonna just slide them in the bottom of this bucket to start us off. Let's start putting some more rock in. Try some more bricks. Let's just call it 30 pounds of brick. That's 100 pounds. Plus this first bucket, that was about 50 pounds, so we're at 150 pounds. And I gotta figure out a way to get more weight on this bad boy. All right, this APOC AP-1 construction adhesive and sealant has lots of great uses in the bathroom as well. You can use it when you're installing your backsplash as an adhesive to hold the backsplash onto the wall. It's also sealant, so it'll stop water from penetrating into places you don't want the water to go. AP-1 is also a great adhesive to use under your countertop as you set the countertop onto the cabinetry. It'll help hold it in place. That's some of the great things that I love about AP-1. It's both the adhesive and a sealant, so it has uses all around. You can use a single product to take care of the whole project. Stopping water where you need to stop it, and keeping things held in place and secured with the adhesive where you need that. This AP-1 also has lots of great uses around your showers and bathtubs. You can use it to seal around the spigot, also around the handle for your faucet. You can use it to seal along the edges of the tub. You can use it to seal the cracks or edges in your tile. Really any place you need to stop water. So this AP-1 we can also use as an adhesive when you're installing the trim and molding on your wall. As you install this, once you know your trim pieces fit, you just apply a little S-bead on the back of the wood before you adhere it to the wall. Use this adhesive behind your molding before it sticks to the wall. It's a great use for this product. It can go in so many different places as an adhesive and a sealant. Each of these is 15 pounds. Unfortunately, they don't fit real well inside the bucket. But let's see if we can get a couple of them on. I might break the bucket. This should put me over 200 pounds. Holy cow. You believe that? 2.25 inches, we got 200 pounds of weight hanging off of it. My eye bolts here say they're rated for 230 pounds on the pole when I threaded them into the wood. That's what the tag says. So, it'll be interesting to see what gives out first here. Let me find some more. I've got another 30 pounds of brick. I didn't know I had this much loose brick kicking around the yard. Now, this thing's getting heavy. when it falls, what's going to happen? One thing about safety here. Stuff could come flying out of there. The weight's all going to drop. Bucket's going to tip over. These could roll and hit my feet or hit my legs, so I want to be careful of that. Look at that. It broke. Let's do some weighing here. Okay, let's see what kind of weight we've got. We got 45 pounds. 31 pounds. So let's see. This one's almost 33 pounds. And then, we got 73 pounds here. Plus 70 would be 252 pounds. Can you believe it? This APOC AP-1 here on this little square, 252 pounds. 252 pounds. All right here. Here we have our labels. The tension, your unit axle test, 252 pounds. It's had a good solid bond, pretty much covering the entire surfaces of these two pieces of wood. There's a little bit that wasn't, but it just kind of exploded apart. Thanks for watching Tomahawk DIY. You've seen some of the great uses for this APOC AP-1 construction adhesive and sealant in your home construction and repair and maintenance projects. Like the video, subscribe, leave some comments, let us know how it works for you, and have a great day.